Most traders fail when they approach the euro-yen cross because they treat it like a standard, predictable currency pair. They build a traditional trading plan, hit execute, and then watch their strategy grind to a violent halt. You either get chopped to pieces chasing false breakouts on a 15-minute chart, or you set up a patient, long-term income trade only to wake up wiped out by a massive overnight crash. The euro-yen forces two deeply conflicting market dynamics into a single ticker symbol. On one side, you have the slow, predictable drip of interest rate income. On the other, the explosive, violent panic of global risk sentiment. Failing to identify which of these two regimes is currently in control leads to consistent losses. But for those who can navigate both forces, the pair becomes a versatile tool that can be adapted to almost any market environment. The foundation of the first environment starts in Europe. To battle persistent inflation, the European Central Bank has historically held interest rates at relatively high levels, making the euro a high-yielding currency. Compare that to the Bank of Japan. They've spent decades fighting the opposite problem, deflation, by keeping interest rates ultra-low or even negative. This gap in monetary policy creates the carry trade. When you buy EUR JPY, you're effectively borrowing cheap, low-interest yen to purchase those higher-yielding euros. This chart visualizes how your broker translates that interest rate difference into a daily rollover, or swap fee. If you hold a long position, you are paid a daily credit. You generate pure income simply for keeping the trade open overnight. But there is a mathematical catch. This passive income strategy only survives in specific conditions. You need stable upward momentum with mathematically low volatility, a tight trading range that won't violently whip past your stop loss. Successful carry trading doesn't require perfectly timing the minute-by-minute price action. It requires finding stability and exploiting the massive divide between two central bank policies to generate compounding yield. But the calm of the carry trade is constantly threatened by the yen's alternative identity. Globally, the Japanese yen functions as a safe haven currency. When global stock markets panic, a scenario known as risk-off sentiment, investors immediately dump riskier assets and flood capital into the perceived safety of the yen. This sudden influx of capital acts like a wrecking ball to the euro-yen pair. It plummets, crashing downward in a matter of hours, and instantly wiping out the slow, patient gains of unsuspecting carry traders. While long-term investors panic, agile day traders step in. They hunt for this exact chaos, targeting breakout patterns triggered by high-impact data like inflation reports or sudden central bank press conferences. You can actually see these volatility spikes coming if you check the broader markets. Because of its safe haven status, watching global equities like the S&P 500 or the Nikkei provides an early warning signal before the currency pair explodes. Global panic destroys a blind income position, but for a day trader, it delivers the massive, rapid momentum required to pull high profits from short-term moves. You don't actually have to choose between patient income and agile day trading. The most sophisticated market participants fuse the two into a single cohesive approach. Step 1 of this hybrid system is establishing your macro view. You look at the massive interest rate gap, and as long as this weekly chart shows a clear structural uptrend, you establish a long directional bias. Once that bias is locked in, step 2 is execution. You zoom directly into the 1-hour or 4-hour charts. You ignore the noise and specifically hunt for tactical entries driven by short-term volatility events. The strategy here is to wait for a brief wave of market panic, a risk-off dip that forces the price rapidly down into a key level of technical support. You step in at the absolute bottom of that spike, securing a highly discounted entry price for your long-term income position. Because you are managing two different forces, you need dual risk management parameters. Your long-term carry trades require wide stop losses, placed well below structural weekly lows, while your tactical short-term entries need tight stops tucked just outside the recent consolidation zones. Advanced traders will even use sudden volatility as a shield. By opening a brief tactical short position during a market crash, they generate quick profits to offset the temporary paper losses on their main long-term hold. Mastering the euro-yen means leveraging central bank policies to define your final destination and using market chaos to perfectly time your departure. To execute this correctly, you need precision. Practice combining macro trends with micro volatility using the advanced charting tools and zero pip spreads available on the FXNX platform.